going to show you how to make some perfume that will attract cats. So this is my dry mix. It's made of baby powder, cocoa powder, grass, rose petals, seasoning, oregano, things like that. And I'm gonna stir it together so it's all nice and mixed. This will be the scent, the dry scent of the perfume. Okay, now you have to add a mushroom. Just kidding, I'm not adding any mushrooms because you never know, that might be toxic. Now, of course, I'll need some olive oil for this. Of course, I can't pull off the cap. Excuse me, I'm just going to pull off the cap. Yeah, I just pulled off the cap. Okay, now you want to be really careful. Okay, just about enough to cover up the entire mixture. Then mix it together, form a glop. This is our perfume glop, apparently. This is very gloppy. Okay, now you add your water, of course. You'll need some water. Okay, some more water to make that nice and perfume-ish. Ooh, don't worry, I'm outdoors. See? Now, you gotta mix it. Stir, stir, stir. This is good. Yeah. And once this is good, nice and stirred, you're gonna have your scent bottle. This perfume is very good. And add about a tablespoon, first of all. Just enough to fill up the bottle, and then you're gonna spray it. Let's see. This, let me smell. It smells very. It smells very unique. Yeah, ripple. Well, thank you for watching. Now I'm going to add some of this stuff in. Maybe it's easier if I take out the spoon. This is quite fatty. It's very viscous. And yeah, see if it will work on your cat. By the way, I haven't tested this yet, so this might be a fail. But according to my research, this is all the smells cats love. Bye. Oh yeah, and don't worry, I'm going to close that olive bottle. Don't want that to rot.